Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this date night get ready with me makeup look. My cat is in the background. I'm also wearing a top. It doesn't look like it probably throughout the whole video, but I am. I used the Jaclyn Hill palette in this video and it was my first time using it and I really like it. And I really love how this look turned out. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss an upload. I'm uploading every day until the 21st and you don't want to miss it. And if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then please just keep on watching. You know, I look crazy right now. My hair does not look great, but it will after I take it out. But I want it out of my face for the video. So I'm gonna start off with a primer, and I'm using this e.l.f. illuminating face primer. Gives you a super cute glow. I did a first impressions on this, but like I don't remember if I liked it. Wow, I look cute. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my IT Cosmetics CC cream in the shade medium. This is my fave stuff ever. I'm just gonna take it on a brush, kokie brush, and then use my beauty blender to make it look flawless. Okay, I'm going in with a different concealer than the NARS one today. I know, shocking. It's the IT Cosmetics byebye under eye concealer. I don't know if it's my shade, but we're gonna find out. Bake and see if it makes it look better. I made a big mess, so okay, I'm gonna bronze now with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. What else? And then I'm just gonna blend that out, and I'm gonna wipe away the bake. Now I'm gonna just take a little bit of fawn from the Anastasia contour kit on a blending brush and just contour my cheeks so they're more defined. Do you see? Cute. Yeah, we're gonna highlight, and I'm just gonna take my Carli bybel palette, the gold shade, in the Carli bybel palette, like I always do. This one right here on this brush. Super cute, super glowy, love. Now we're gonna do eyeballs, and I just got this Jaclyn Hill palette, so we're gonna be using this today. I'm super excited. I think I'm gonna take the shade right in the top middle. It's called M.F.E.O. Yeah, we're gonna take that and put it in the crease. Did you see it? Am I stupid and didn't show it? This one right here. Now that we have our transition shade down, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a darker one. It's kind of similar to the transition shade, just a bit darker, and I'm just gonna put that like deeper into the crease. This one right here. I'm just gonna take the tiniest bit because I don't want my crease to be too dramatic. Okay, I want to do like a halo eye, so but I'm gonna do it like shimmers. Yeah, this one's called Little Lady. This is the one I'm taking, and I'm gonna pack that on my inner and outer corners. Okay, that's pretty, but we're gonna not take that one. We're gonna take this one instead. It's called Sissy. Hopefully it'll be more pinky. And I'm just gonna blend out the crease so those colors are blended. And then I'm gonna take the highlighter shade that I used from the Carli bybel palette, this one right here, and I'm gonna put that in the middle of my lid. There's a gold in this palette, in the Jaclyn Hill palette, but I want something more like reflective, you know? I'm gonna try to use this one right here called Crayon Apple. the tiniest bit of it because it's like dark and I don't want a dark look. I'm just gonna do a tiny bit and see if it makes it pinker. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it made it a little pinker. Okay, and then just blend out the creases again. But yeah, I'm gonna take the pink shades that I used and just put them on the inner part and the outer part of my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take the gold shade and put it in the middle part. Duh! I'll go in with this one right here. It's called In Light. To highlight my brow bone. Moving on to eyebrows, I'm taking my Anastasia Brow Wiz and brushing them out. I don't think I'm gonna put brows on today. Sorry. My lashes, I'm just gonna put on some L'Oreal Telescopic, and I'm also gonna put on false lashes. And I'm gonna use my Kiss number 11 because I love them and they're like the only things that I like. So I'll be right back. I'm back now. And now we're gonna do lips. I think I'm gonna put on this one right here. It's just like a pink nude. It's called Desire and it's by the brand Kissable. It looks like this. Oh wait, Kokie. Not Kissable. Kokie. This right here. And it's called Desire. I'm just gonna put on a lip liner first though. I'm gonna put on this Rosy Rim lip liner from MAC. Okay, and I'm just gonna put on the tiniest bit of this and just like spread it out with my finger. And now I'm just gonna set my face using my NYX setting spray. Take a little bit of Fawn again from the Anastasia contour kit and just put it under my lip. And a little above my lip just to contour it so it looks bigger. And that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I love how this makeup turned out and I really like the Jaclyn Hill palette. Definitely recommend it. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment down below and turn on your post notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!